morning, students. Continuing with the discussion of the first HSL, I had asked you all to finish off till the end, and I think till the end, very frankly, not too many sums which needs discussion. फिर भी मैंने अपने तरफ से I have tried and figured out what maybe some of y'all may have a doubt in. सब लोग को तो सुनना ही है, but I think मेरे हिसाब से after 76, most of the sums, majority of the sums were pretty straightforward and clear. Factorization, defactorization के sums, okay, by now I think you all have got a hold of it. And then the allied property, I think those also were pretty simple, barring a few, which we will discuss right away. Okay. Everyone, I begin with page 11. Page 11. Okay. Directly 11 पे आ गया मैं. 9 पे तो 77 ही था. 10 पे nothing that I feel you need discussion for. Okay, so I am coming directly to page 11, sum number 90, and it says alpha plus gamma is to beta, and you are asked to tell me what is sin alpha minus sin gamma upon cos gamma minus cos alpha. Okay. So कुछ नहीं है, you have to apply your factorization formula directly, और कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay. So let's apply my factorization formula straight away. Factorization formula all will give me 2 cos sin c minus sin d है ना, cos sin होता है. So 2 cos, हाँ, alpha plus gamma by 2 sin alpha minus gamma by 2 ऐसे 2 cos sin and cos c minus cos d is your odd man out and sin. So this is 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin d minus c by 2. Let me write d minus c by 2 only, so that alpha minus gamma by 2 and these two get cancelled. So d minus c by 2. Okay, done. And these two go away. So what remains? Cos of the angle, sin of the angle. Oh, that's cot of the angle. Alpha plus gamma by 2. Alpha plus gamma by 2 is beta. Oh, the right answer must be cot beta. Yes, that's it. Cot beta is the right answer. Okay. Everyone, this is fair. Fine. I move on to question number 93. Okay. 93 में it says cos squared 2x minus cos squared 6x. Cos squared 2x minus cos squared 6x. Okay, and they said this is given by sin of kx into sin of mx. Sin of kx into sin of mx, and I am supposed to find out value of k and m. Okay, k and m, so that I can get mod of k minus. So on, that's fine. That's understood. Okay, mod of k minus m आपसे पूछा गया है. Okay, so cos squared minus cos squared. अच्छा, everyone, this all as 1 minus sine squared 2x minus 1 minus sine squared 6x. And therefore I will get this is equal to ye 1 minus 1, so that's gone. Then minus of minus plus sine squared 6x minus sine squared 2x. अच्छा, by now you all should know that when you convert this to a sine square, it becomes उल्टा. ये तो मैं step wise लिखा है, that's all, और कुछ नहीं. Okay? अच्छा, ये तो अपना sin squared a minus sin square b जैसा होता है ना? Sin square a minus sin square b, actually sin square a minus sin square b is also cos square b minus cos square a, and both of them are equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. Yes. Oh, done. Brilliant. K and M have got a values 8 and 4, or vice versa, doesn't matter. Okay, and मेरे फाइनल आंसर में भी mod of k minus m लिखा है. Mod of k minus m means it will be mod of 8 minus 4, which is 4 only. अगर आपने उल्टा भी लिया तभी भी 4 minus 8 minus 4 का mod will be 4 only. So I understand the absolute value will be 4. 4 is your answer. Therefore, Bombay. B, yes, Bombay, B option. ठीक है? अच्छा, ये एक मेथड हो गया. मेरे हिसाब से ये आसान मेथड है. ओके? अच्छा, और come on, और method 2. Can I write this all as this is a square minus b square? So am I right at saying a plus b and a minus b, okay? All right, a minus b, yes, right? So this will be now a plus b minus b कर लिया तो ये आ गया, आ तो गया ये. अब इसके आगे क्या? Can I say this is like cos c plus cos d? Cos c plus cos d, yes. So please go ahead, apply your formula. Cos c plus cos d का formula क्या है? Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos है ना? 2 cos है. हाँ, 2 cos c plus d by 2 is 4x, and cos c minus d by 2, that means it will be 2x. Please understand all of you all. C minus d by 2 किया तो 6x minus 2x upon 2. अच्छा, आपने इसको c लिया और इसको d लिया तो भी 2x minus 6x upon 2. Okay, that will be cos of minus 2x, but cos of minus theta is cos theta, so cos 2x ही आ जाएगा. So remember, when I say cos c plus cos d, always take c as bigger. तो आपका वो नेगेटिव माइनस का चक्कर ही नहीं आएगा. ओके, थिंग्स दैट यू विल लर्न एवरीवन, ये अप्लाई करते करते आपके माइंड में आना चाहिए. हाँ, अरे ओके, सो आई एम टेक दिस एज सी एंड दिस एज सी, फाइन, ठीक है, आगे वैसे ही करेंगे. ओके, अच्छा, देन इनटू, ये सब इनटू ही है. दिस आई रिटन इज अ प्रोडक्ट, फैक्टराइजेशन किया तो प्रोडक्ट क्या है? इनटू दिस प्रोडक्ट, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. cos c minus cos d, अच्छा, cos c minus cos d में what's the formula? It is, अच्छा, d is bigger, so let's use d minus c by 2 only and not put the minus sign ahead. Okay, so this will be 2 sin क्या? c plus d by 2 for x, and sin d minus c by 2 2x. Okay, all of you all. अच्छा, 1 minute. Now look carefully, look at the terms carefully. 2 cos 4x sin 4x, I think gives me sin 8x, double angle, है ना? And 2 cos 2x sin 2x, again double angle, sin 4x. sin 4x. Okay, I think the K and the M are done and hence here. पक्का? Either way, all yours. आपने जो भी मेथड से किया होगा, दूसरा मेथड आप उसके बाजू में लिख के रखो, और आया नहीं तो दोनों लिख के रखो, ठीक है? Alright, that's about 93. In 94, everyone, I think I've done this when we did factorization, defactorization in class. Okay, I would want all of you all to actually go back. Okay, जिनको ये 94 वाला टर्म आया नहीं है, उनको I am advising you all to go back into the lecture of factorization, defactorization. Okay, please refer your notebooks. It is definitely there in your notebook. मेरे हिसाब से मैंने 4-5 टर्म किए थे फैक्टराइजेशन, डिफैक्टराइजेशन फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेशन में उसी लेक्चर के अंदर, and I am sure this was one of them. If I remember right, we solved it also by not just one way, we solved it by 2 methods as well. Zara please get that. It's a good problem and worth the revision. So if you've not got it, please come back, or please rather go back and refer it yourself. ठीक है? That's 94. That's on page 11. अच्छा, page 11 के बाद we're moving into trigonometric ratios of allied angles. So allied property. Okay, page 12, right? And here we are with page 12. अच्छा, पेज 12 में not really great problems to deal with, but some of them. Sure. 96. I am hopeful that the majority of the class has actually got this done. Okay, has got this done. Now you can see this is given to you. That means it's actually talking about triangle ABC. Although it's not explicitly mentioned in the question, but when they say A plus B plus C is pi, what does that actually mean? Sum of the three angles is 180. That means triangle ABC is very well in picture. Alright? And what do they ask you for? They have asked you for sec of A plus C. And options are all in B, everyone. So A भी नहीं है, C भी नहीं है, it is B that you have to get into picture. So can we use this and say A plus C is pi minus B? Pi minus B. So this becomes sec of pi minus B. Sec of pi minus B. And this is your allied angle. Alright, pi minus B, pi minus theta, you're talking about allied angles, and you're saying pi minus B, that means you're in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means sec ratio negative. Alright, and pi, you're on the x-axis, no change of ratio, minus sec B is the right answer. Minus sec B is the right answer. Okay, that's fair. Okay, that's fair. Then overall, अब अगर 96 आ गया तो 97 आ ही जाना चाहिए. Okay, again A plus B plus C is pi, and you all are asked for A plus B plus C is pi, and you all are asked guess what? Sine of A plus B by 2. Sine of A plus B by 2. Okay. अच्छा मेरे को बताओ AC, अगर मैं A plus B plus C is 5 बोलता हूँ, तो A plus B plus C by 2 is 5 by 2 होगा. अरे हाँ कि ना? Alright, A plus B plus C by 2 will be pi by 2 only, no? Alright, you divide both sides by 2, and can I now therefore write A plus B by 2? इसको split करते हैं. So a plus b by 2 and c by 2 will be pi by 2 minus c by 2. Okay. So this therefore becomes sin of pi by 2 minus c by 2. Okay. Allied angles again, and pi by 2 minus theta. This is like pi by 2 minus theta, which you all know it's cos theta. So cos of c by 2. Cos of c by 2 should be the right answer. Pakka, everyone. अच्छा everyone, इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम अभी 99 में they said 99 में they said cot of 2015 pi plus pi by 6. क्या आप लोग अभी यही सोच रहे हैं कि भाई 2015 पाई, ओहो इधर से शुरू करना है, सर ने तो बोला था इधर से शुरू करना है, हाँ, एंड आपको बढ़ते जाना है. ओके, सो पाई, 2 पाई, 3 पाई, 4 पाई, 5 करते जाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली नॉट. ओके, डू यू ऑल रियलाइज ये 0 है, ये 2 पाई हो गया, ये 4 पाई हो गया, नेक्स्ट 6 पाई होता, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. इधर क्या, इधर आपका बीच में पाई आता है, फिर 3 पाई आता है, फिर 5 पाई आता है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस इज ऑल ऑड पाई, ऑड मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई, एंड दिस इज ऑल इवन मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई. कितनी अक्कल है कि नहीं तुम लोग में? डू यू रियलाइज व्हाट्स हैपनिंग हियर एवरीवन? इवन मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi, and this will be pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, 7 pi, 9 pi, and therefore 2015 pi also will come here, and plus pi by 6 means your third quadrant and blah blah. Then you know what to do. Okay, you know what to do and proceed with that and get the answer. Okay? Okay, so please be very clear about what happens with even multiple of pi and odd multiple of pi. Okay, so henceforth when you come across an even multiple of pi, you know you have to be here, and odd multiple of, you know you have to be here. That's it, done, finished. Is that okay, everyone? Is that okay? Yes. Then would I need to do 103? Would I need to do 103? 103 में it's cos of 9 degree plus sin of 9 degree upon cos of 9 degree minus sin of 9 degree, and I think this is tan of pi by 4 plus theta का फॉर्मूला. Tan of pi by 4 plus theta का फॉर्मूला है ना? What is your theta here? Cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. If you divide by cos theta, this becomes 1 plus tan 9 degree upon 1 minus tan 9 degree. I think both of these are there in your formula chart. Do you remember? Tan of pi by 4 plus theta. So tan of 45 plus 9, and that's tan of 54 degree. This should be the answer. Tan of tan of 54 is not there. Tan of 54 is not there. Alright, among your options is not there. See, the MCQ now can have its own problems. Okay. Otherwise, tan 54 बोल के you will say, चलो let's move to the next question. But now tan 54 रख के आपके ऑप्शन में तो है नहीं, तो आपको कुछ और करना पड़ेगा भाई. क्या करेंगे और क्या कर सकते हो आप? I think I'll make it tan of 90 minus 36. Can I make it this way? 90 minus 36. Okay, 54 is 90 minus 36. And now this becomes allied property. Allied property. 90 minus theta है ना? 90 minus theta means you are the first all of us. Okay. and 90 आ गया, ratio change. Cot 36 should be yes, this time cot 36 is there. So cot 36 definitely is your final. Is your final. ठीक है? पक्का? Everyone? पक्का? I think that's fair. That's fair. All right. 12th page done. 13th page number 13 में 106 का क्या? 106 problem all of you all is a trick problem. Trick. There is nothing that you all have to actually do in 106. Why you don't have to do anything in 106? All of you all 106 में आपको solve करना ही नहीं है. Reason is, did you actually observe the question properly? 106 में it is cos 0, cos 1 degree. This is all degrees, and cos 2 degree and and cos 179 degree into cos 180 degree. ऐसा है. I know many of you all must be thinking, अरे इसको कुछ connect कर सकते हैं क्या? Okay, could there be any connection between the first and the last term or something like that? Actually not required. They can be connected, okay, but not required. You know why? Because in between all these terms, somewhere here, there is a cos 90. There is a cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. And it's a product. So, whatever happens, you are going to get everything multiplied to 0. So, answer is 0. There's nothing to solve. Nothing to solve. Okay? So, all of you all, sometimes you actually come across these trick sums. Okay, where probably something huge and phenomenally big, and you think, oh God, what we going to do about this? Maybe there's something hidden in the problem, which if you understand, it's done. And that's exactly what's happening here. Cos 90 is 0, product is 0. Okay? 108 में, everyone, there's something that needs to be mentioned. 108 में cos minus 1710, this happens to be equal to cos 1710, because cos of minus theta is cos theta, and you would observe that it comes at least here, and all the y-axis cos is 0. Now all of you all, the reason why I am talking about this, 0 is not going to be counted under prime and composite. Okay, prime and composite, all of you all, that understanding starts from 1 onwards. 1 is a number that's neither prime nor composite, and I think all of you all know this. Prime numbers, composite numbers, तो आपने definitely किया हुआ है स्कूल में. Prime numbers which have only 1 and itself as factors. Composite numbers are numbers which have other than 1 and itself as factors. Numbers other than 1 and itself as factors. And 1 is treated to be neither prime nor composite. ठीक है? So 1 तो गया, prime भी नहीं है, composite भी नहीं है. 2 is prime. 3 is prime. 4 becomes your composite number. Alright, composite number. It's the first composite number. Alright, because it has got, besides 1 and itself, it has got 2 as a factor as well. So 4 becomes the composite number, and then you go on. 0 is not counted in prime and composite. And it is definitely counted as neither positive nor negative. 0 के उस तरफ, all positive numbers 0 के इस तरफ, all negative numbers on the number line. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Hence, Zero answer and number which is neither positive nor negative is the right option. ठीक है? Is the right option, right? Okay. In fact, 109 में भी when you solve, again you get equal to 4, and 4 is the first composite number. First composite number. ठीक है? अच्छा. Next one that I want to talk about is sum number 111. Sum number 111, which is 1 minus tan squared pi by 4 minus a upon 1 plus tan squared pi by 4 minus a. Very good problem. Very good problem. Okay. 1 minus tan squared pi by 4 minus a upon 1 plus tan squared pi by 4 minus a. And everyone, you all should be in a position to understand the formula hidden here. What's the formula? 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. Formula for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta के चार फॉर्मूले मालूम है तुम लोगों को? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta minus 1. And 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, I think this is in that form. So this becomes cos of, directly cos of, बोलो, cos of, it will become 2 times pi by 4 minus a. 2 times pi by 4 minus a. ऐसे होगा. Please understand, 2 times theta, cos 2 theta. So angle is 2 theta, huh? 2 theta. So this becomes cos of, it should become pi by 2 minus 2. Then comes your allied property. Allied property. Okay. Cos of 90 minus theta. Cos of 90 minus theta direct. Sin theta. So sin 2a. Sin 2a is the right answer there. 111 में. Sin theta. Sin 2a should be fine. ठीक है? फटाफट make a note of this. A couple of more that I need to discuss. You please make a quick note of this.